Loading media and ribbon in the ZT231 printer with a peel and liner take-up. Open the media door and open the liner take-up door. Open the printhead. Slide the media guide out. Slide the media supply guide out. Place a roll of media on the media supply hanger. Push the media roll back. Feed the media under the dancer assembly, through the media sensor, and under the printhead. Push down the peel-off mechanism release lever to open the peel assembly. Extend the media approximately 18 inches or 500 millimeters outside of the printer. Remove the exposed labels so that only the liner remains. Feed the liner behind the peel assembly. Make sure that the end of the liner falls inside of the printer. Slide the liner into the slot in the liner take-up spindle. Push the liner back until it touches the back plate of the liner take-up spindle assembly. Wrap the liner around the liner take-up spindle and turn the spindle counterclockwise to tighten the liner. Close the peel assembly using the peel-off mechanism release lever. Slide the media guide in. If you are printing with thermal transfer, place the ribbon on the ribbon supply spindle and push it back. Bring the ribbon under the printhead and wrap it around the ribbon take-up spindle. Then tie the ribbon into a knot. Turn the spindle to remove any slack. Close the printhead. Close the liner take-up door and media door. Press pause to enable printing.